Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set up your AR playground, like AR environment, to develop a augmented reality applications. So don't waste time and let's get started. First you have to install Unity. Here you can see download Unity. Go into that. You can also download Unity Hub, but we choose Unity download. Unity Hub is quite different. You also get you can also chat with other professionals and developers. We use for individual, and here you can either download the student one, which is free, and you can either download personal, which is also free. But what I suggest is, if you are a student, go for student, or if you are a developer and working for any organization, or you want to develop apps on your own and you're not a student, you're graduated, then go for personal. Here I'm going for personal. This is all the documentation of Unity. So we are first time users. These are all terms. Click on agree and download. This hub, Unity Hub, what it does is it is a 66.27 MB file. It downloads, and after downloading the file, once you run it, this setup will download the actual Unity installer. We'll wait for the download to complete. I think I will forward the video. As you can see, the download has been completed. Now we will open it. Sorry for the lag, my system was slow. You click on yes, I agree. You can install it anywhere you want. I'll be leaving it to default install. Wait for the installation, or you can skip it. Now it is completed. We'll run the Unity Hub. We have to allow access for that, for the app to communicate to the internet. Now we have to configure Unity for the actual Unity application for way to install in our laptop or desktops. So I will be leaving this to the location for default. Install. Now here we have to create our own unique Unity ID. You can either create a new one here, or you can sign in here. For sign up, you have to do it here. For sign in, you can sign in with Google or sign in with Facebook. I'll be doing it with Google. In the background, you can also see that it is downloading Unity. My internet was not so fast, so it will be downloading for a while. In case if clicking on sign in with Google, the actual Google font doesn't pop up, then you either can do I already have a Unity ID, or you can create a new one. I already have a Unity ID, so I'm pressing this. This is my actual email. And after logging in, you have to accept all their privacy policies. And now this will take you for further steps. Here you can create it will actually teach you how to create a micro game in this. You can either deal with it or just move forward. Actually I'll tell you how to do this. You can either create a platformer, karting, FPS, or leave it empty so that you can create on your own. I'll be going with FPS. So I will click on continue, and here this will video will teach us how to create. This video will teach us how to create a first Unity game.
My first game.
Extremely buggy.
I mean, it was a mess. Like,
None of us knew what we were doing.
oh my god. It was horrible, but worth it.
Making games is a hard craft on its own.
It is probably intimidating.
It's challenging. It's really hard.
But you have this whole community that could help you out with anything.
You have a ball of clay in your hands, a ball of digital clay.
I don't have to necessarily create my magnum opus. Do things for people.
Well, you will have created
And
The steps are completed. Now all you have to do is wait for Unity to download on the back end. So we have to wait for that. So do the steps till here. In the next video we'll meet after downloading this Unity. Bye bye.